My name is Chef Les, and this is Everyday Home with Safaricom Newsroom. And today we'll be cooking bacon and cheddar Hasselback potatoes that are going to be cooked in the microwave. It takes about 10 minutes of cooking time and 5 minutes of prep. Really easy, like ABC. Today I'd like to show you how to make a quick recipe of Hasselback potatoes. It's a quick snack that will take us 10 minutes to do. What you'll need is potatoes, white potatoes that I have just cleaned, and you'll need a butter knife for that. We'll later season this with salt, pepper, and throw it in the microwave for about 10 minutes. Cut the base of the potato just a little bit so that it stands and doesn't dance around, and then the knife is to help protect the potato, like from going all the way through with your knife, like so. So what you want is to cut slits all across the potato without going through it. Nice and thin slices. You can also have this as a main meal where you serve it with vegetables on the side, or a nice stew, or a roasted meat of sorts. This would be excellent with anything really, from chicken to pork. Make sure your potatoes are well seasoned, like you've gotten the salt in through the slits. Some black pepper, some beautiful fresh herbs here from the market. I'll use parsley for this dish. Parsley smells amazing, especially when it's fresh. We'll need 1 onion. So I have 6 potatoes here. 1 onion should be more than enough. We'll probably fit about half an onion in here, and then the rest we'll make a quick dip for the potatoes later on, and we'll serve this with some sour cream. A little bit of oil, make sure it goes all the way through. And our potatoes are ready to go in the microwave. No need to cover, because you want the outside to be really nice and crispy and golden, and then on the inside it's soft and buttery. And we'll set this at 10 minutes. What I'm using is streaky bacon, which has equal amount of fat and meat. I'll grate some cheese just to top it up once those are ready. What I'm using here is cheddar cheese. It's mild cheddar, which is very friendly, it's tasty. We'll serve our potatoes with a bit of cream, a bit of sour cream. And then season it nicely with a bit of lemon juice, a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper. That smells incredible. And ready. So the cheese will seep through the slits that we've cut, and your potato is going to have this nice cheesy flavor all through. So get a spoon, and all the oil and liquid that came from the potatoes, you just spoon it on top again, like so. We have our cream, which we've whipped, the onions which we left over, what remained from the potatoes. So I've seasoned my onions with salt and a little bit of black pepper. take a little bit of the oil that we had, which has a flavor from the potatoes. Bacon goes in for about 3 minutes or so. Nicely seasoned with salt and pepper. I'll put in some vinegar, a little bit of apple cider. However, lemon juice is excellent with this. And a little bit of fresh dhania. Our homemade sour cream with some nicely seasoned onions, and this will be perfect for our potatoes. Bacon is ready. Then these back 3 more minutes. We'll chop our bacon real quick. We want to have nice small pieces that will evenly spread on the top on our potatoes. You can see our cheese has really melted nicely. Some people like the bacon nice and soft, some other people like it nice and crispy. I'm on the crispy side, sprinkling some herbs to give it a bit of fresh, beautiful color. It smells really, really good. And we have 1.5 minutes left, and we serve our potatoes. Our Hasselback potatoes are ready. Delicious. It's nice and crispy on the outside. It's beautiful and soft on the inside, full of flavor from the cheese and from the bacon, and the onions add a nice crunch to it. These are incredible.